Hi, hello, welcome back to the series of Accountancy Chapter 1, Not-Profit Organization. In this video, we are going to learn about the differences between income and expenditure account and receipts and payment account. Before starting this video, this is OBC online business class. If you still not subscribed, consider it. If you like our content and want to watch more exclusive courses videos, just join our membership program. We have 3 different programs. So without further ado, let's start this video. Today we are discussing about income and expenditure account and receipts and payment account differences based on their basis. So starting with their nature. Nature means how it will be. So it's a summary of income and expenditure. In income and expenditure account, it is just like a profit and loss account. But whereas in receipts and payment account, it's a summary of cash book. Moving on to the second difference, that is nature of item. Which type of nature of item will be recorded? In income and expenditure account, it records income and expenses of revenue items only. It is exclusively recording revenue items. But whereas in receipts and payment account, it will record irrespective of revenue in nature or capital in nature. Moving on to the next differences, that is period or duration. In income and expenditure account, usually the item will be recorded only the current year income and expenses. It won't record the previous year or the next year income and expenditure. So if it is there, you have to deduct it. If it is next year income or last year income or expenses, you need to deduct it. But whereas in receipts and payment account, it will be recording current year as well as previous and the next year sometime. So it has both previous year, next year and the present year receipts and payments account. Moving on to the next one, based on the debit side, credit side. What will be the debit side entries and credit side entries? So usually in the debit side, it will record expenses. But in the credit side, in income and expenditure account, it will record the incomes. But in receipts and payment account, in debit side, it records receipts. In credit side, they will record payments, just opposite to the income and expenditure account. Moving on to the next differences, that is depreciation. In income and expenditure account, there will be including depreciation, but in receipts and payment account, they won't record depreciation item because it's not related to cash, or it's not a cash receipt or cash expenses, so they won't mention. It's not a cash item, that's why they won't mention. Moving on to the next differences, that is how it start and how it's end, that is opening balance and closing balance. In income and expenditure account, opening balance is nothing. They won't start with opening balance, just like receipts and payment account will start with opening balance such as cash in hand, cash at bank or bank overdraft. Moving on to the next difference, that is closing balance. In income and expenditure account, closing balance will not be recorded, but they will represent in other terms. What is that other term? That terms are surplus and deficits. Surplus are the excess amount, deficits are the short amount. That's why excess are called as surplus and short are called a deficit. But in receipts and payment account, when you're closing, you need to mention as closing balance, representing cash in hand, cash at bank or bank overdraft at the end. These are the differences between income and expenditure account and receipts and payment account. Generally, if you know the differences between income and expenditure account and receipts and payment account, you can write meaning, you can write features, even you can write anything if they ask question for 2 marks or even 4 marks. So basically it highlights the differences, meaning and features, everything. You just need to know the differences between those two. That will make you sense and give you depth idea about the income and expenditure account and the receipts and payment account, how it will be, how it starts, how it ends, what are the items. So these are the differences. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. Like always, click here to watch the next series. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next series. Bye.